Good morning, student. In this class, we are discussing about the elementary particles or particle interactions. So, by the year 1932, only three elementary particles, namely electron and proton and photon, with known the discovery of neutron by Chadwick in 1932 raised their number to 4. These elementary particles are the building blocks of matter and they have characteristics properties such as rest mass, electric charge and intrinsic angular momentum. The elementary particles discovered so far form a long list of around 200. These particles are elementary in the sense that they are structureless, that is, they cannot be explained as a system of other elementary particles. ನೋಡಿ, ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ 1932ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂರು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದ್ದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾವಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನು, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರೋಟಾನು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫೋಟಾನ್. ಆನಂತರ ಚಾಡ್ವಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅವನ್ನ 4 ಮಾಡ್ದವ. ಮೂರಿದಲ್ಲ 4. ಸೊ ಅವು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನಿರ್ತಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೈ ದಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್: ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಸ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಕ್ ಆಂಗುಲರ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್. ಆನಂತರ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ದ 200 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಲೆಸ್. ಆನಂತರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ 200ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅವು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಇದ್ದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4 part according to the Chadwick. Okay, one is baryons, second one is leptons, third one is mesons, and the fourth one is antiparticles. So the baryon is already once again classified into the nucleons and hyperons. Okay, leptons are classified into 4 categories. One is electron, another one is photon, third one is neutron and muon. Mesons are classified into 3 categories. One is pion, kaon and eta. So then the fourth one is antiparticles. So once again the nucleons must be classified into proton and neutron, and hyperons having the family that is lambda, sigma and omega. So this is the how the particles must be divided. Okay, so now we come to know that about the detail. Now particles must be having a symbol and charge and how much it is having the spin and rest mass or rest energy. It is in million electron volt. So in the table the first we are observe that is leptons. So lepton ನಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇವೆ: ಒಂದು ಫೋಟಾನು, ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿನೋ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನು ಮತ್ತು ಮಿಯಾನ್. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋಟಾನ್ದು ಸಿಂಬಾಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ? Y. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಈಸ್ 0, ಸ್ಪಿನ್ ಈಸ್ 1, ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿನೋ ಅದರದ್ದೇನಿದೆ? VE symbol. Charge is 0, spin is 1/2 and rest energy must be 0. Electron E plus and E minus, plus 1 and minus 1 it is a charge, then spin is 1/2. Then the energy must be it is 0.511004. Muon, mu plus and mu minus, the symbols, and charge is plus 1 and minus 1 and spin is 1/2 and the energy must be it is in million electron volt 105.659 million electron volt. Now similarly the mesons must be having pion, that is pi plus and pi minus and pi 0, plus 1 minus 1, it is a charge, and the spin is, it is 0, and energy must be 139.576. Just like k on, that is k plus k minus k naught, plus 1 minus 1, 0, and the spin must be, it is 0, that is energy must be 493.82. Eta, that is Greek symbol you are taken, eta naught, then charge is 0, spin is 0, the energy must be, it is 548.8. Now you come to the next category of the elementary particles, that is baryons. So in that, proton, neutron, lambda, sigma, xi, omega. The symbol must be, proton is P, charge is, it is 1, spin is half, and the energy must be 938.256. Then neutron, symbol is N, charge is 0, spin is half, the energy must be 931.550. Lambda, the symbol is reverse V, or you want Greek alphabet lambda you are also taken, charge is 0, spin is 1/2, and energy must be 1115.60. Then sigma plus, sigma naught and sigma minus, plus 1, 0 and minus 1 charge are there, and spin is half, that is energy must be, it is sigma plus having 1189.4, sigma not having 1192.46, sigma minus having 1197.32. Then xi, so it is a symbol, that is a Greek alphabet, xi naught, that is 0, is a charge, spin is half, energy must be 1314.7. Then sigma minus, that is minus 1 is a charge, spin is a half, 1321.25. Then omega, that is omega sign, it is in Greek alphabet, omega minus, that is minus 1 is a charge, 3/2 is the spin, and energy must be 1672.5. Next we come to the baryons, heavy particles. Protons and particles heavier than proton from this group. Proton and neutron are called nucleons, and the rest mass are called hyperons. Every baryon has a antiparticle. If a number called the baryons number plus 1 is assigned to baryons, and a number minus 1 is assigned to antibaryons, then in any closed system, interaction or decay, the baryons number does not change. This is the law of conservation of baryons. Now hyperons. Time decay of the order of 10 to the power of minus 10 seconds. Mass value intermediate between neutron and deuteron. Their decay time is very much greater than the time of their formation, 10 to the power of minus 3 seconds. K mesons, strange particles, that is Galiman and Nisijim. 4 types, that is lambda, sigma, xi and omega. There are the 4 types of the baryons. Now leptons you come to. It contains electron, proton, neutrino and muon. All of these elementary particles have masses smaller than that of a pion. Then electron, first discovered particle, it is negative charge and stable particle. An electrostatic field exists between the 2 electrons. So this is about the elementary particles and their classification. Thank you.